Okay.
Okay, everyone, this is Molly, and this is how we are going to surprise her or shower her with champagne. So I had to do practice rounds because I have no idea what I'm doing. So we'll see how this works out. Does it just come out?
Okay. Now. Shake it hard. Babe, thumb it. Thumb.
Okay, so I guess I'll just use my thumb. So I have to shake it at the same time. Okay, stop the movie.